This is the digital Welcome Suica card, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to get this Welcome Suica card on your iPhone. Before we start, briefly about this Welcome Suica mobile app. So this app is an official app developed by the JR East company. The app was launched on March 6, 2025, and is currently only available for iPhone users. Now let's go ahead and download the app from the App Store. Open your App Store and search for Welcome Suica Mobile. Look for the one developed by East Japan Railway Company. Hit Get to download the app to your phone. After the download is done, this is what it looks like when you open the app. Hit Next to move on to the next step. You'll see the basic functions that this app can do for you. For now, hit Start Now to move on to the next step. There are 2 documents that you have to read and agree to. Just go through one by one. After you read and agree to these documents, you'll get an account number. This account number is automatically generated. What you need to do here is to provide a secret keyword for this account of yours. According to their explanation, this keyword and the account number are required when you want to make inquiries about your card. So go ahead and enter your keyword here. After that, to issue the Welcome Suica card, you need to select an amount of money you want to first top up to your card. You can see the cautions here that this Welcome Suica card is valid for 180 days from the day that the card is issued. After the validity period, you won't be able to use the account. This Welcome Suica card is not refundable and the charge will be in Japanese yen. So select an amount of money you want here. I'm gonna select 3,000 yen. Then hit Top Up with Apple Pay. Select a credit card in your Apple Wallet and double-click on the side button to allow the payment. On the next screen, hit Next to add the Welcome Suica card to your Apple Wallet. Read and agree to the terms and conditions, and just wait for the card to be added. There you go. Now we got the Welcome Suica card all set up and ready for use. You can see the card balance in the App Home tab, showing the amount of money that we just top up. Now, if you don't want to have to unlock your phone and select the card for payment every time you want to use it, you need to make this Welcome Suica card the default transit card. To do that, open your Apple Wallet and select the Welcome Suica card that you just added. Tap on the 3-dot icon in the upper right corner. Select Card Details, and under Card Information, hit Express Transit Settings, and turn on the Express Transit card setting for the Welcome Suica card. That's it. Now you just tap your phone at the ticket gates, and the Welcome Suica card will be read automatically, like this. Very smooth and easy, and you can see how much was paid for every trip right on your phone. So that's it for today's video. This video is not sponsored or affiliated. If you find it useful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel to help me continue to create more videos like this. I really appreciate it. Until next time, take care and have a nice day.